Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Today I am going to do a makeup tutorial using the Too Faced I Love Kandee palette. Now this palette was curated and created by makeup artist Kandee Johnson, and it's exclusively sold at ULTA. Okay, this palette is beautiful. It has cool and warm tones, and it has a wonderful candy scent. All right, first off, I'm going to prep my face. Now the first thing I'm going to use is a foundation primer, and this is by ULTA. It's like a silicone primer. It's like the Smashbox primer. Okay, next thing I'm going to use is Your Skin But Better CC Cream Foundation by Cosmetices. The next thing I'm going to use is the Milani Retouched and Erase Lifting Concealer. And this is the color Light 02. This is what it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to use the original formula Airspun Loose Face Powder, and this is the color Translucent. I am going to use my beauty blender to put it underneath my eyes. Basically, I am baking. Next thing I am going to use is my Stay Put Brow Color by Milani, and this is the color 04 Brunette. All right. It does come with a two-ended brush. All right, now into the palette. All right, the first color I am going to use is the Cream Puff. I'm going to use Cream Puff, and that is going on my crease. I am going to use for my crease a Glamour Dolls brush, okay, and this is 10. Now I am going to pick up Butterscotched, and this I am going to put it on my lid. All right, now I am going to use on my eyelid on top of the butterscotch color, I am going to use glitter. And this is by NYX. This is by NYX, and this is GLI 04. Now, when using this glitter, you need to use the NYX glitter primer. If not, it's not going to stick to your eyelid. Okay, this is the color. Beautiful color. And basically this is what it looks like. Just a little bit. I am going to use an e.l.f. brush just to pick up the glue and put it on my eyelid. And this brush works fantastic with this. And it just says eyeshadow brush. All right, now the outer part of my eye, I am going to use the color Taupe Berry, and it's this one right here, Taupe Berry. And this one, with this eyeshadow, I am going to use the Luxie 239 brush. I am going to use my Sigma E25 brush just to blend it in, just to blend the shadows in. Then using the same Luxie 239 brush, okay, and the same color Taupe Berry, I am going to go underneath my waterline. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the butterscotch also and put that underneath my waterline right here. Now you could take the powder by Airspun that you baked your eyes with and just take it off, sweep it off. I am going to take this banana cream pie, this color, and I'm just going to put it underneath my eyebrow. All right, I am going to use for eyeliner, but this is by EM Cosmetics, and it is an illustrative eyeliner, brush tip, and let's see, the color is black. Over that eyeliner, I am going to use the gel eyeliner by ULTA, and this is the color Blackout. This is what it looks like. It's a gel eyeliner. I am also going to add this ULTA gel eyeliner on underneath my waterline. Going back with my Taupe Berry eyeshadow, I am just going to go over the eyeliner with this color. All right, eyes are done. Now I am going to use your Skin But Better CC plus Airbrush Perfecting Powder by I Cosmetics, and this is the color Light. All right, now I'm going to use bronzer, and this is by Milani All Over Glow, and this is the color Bronze Glow. Blush, I am going to use Tarte, and the color is Feisty. I like to smile to see the apples of my cheeks. Now for some highlighter. This is Triple Baked Highlighter by Revolution, Makeup Revolution, London. And this is Goddess of Faith. That's the color. Fan Brush by Eco Tools. Whew. See it just pop? Beautiful. I was very surprised when I bought this highlighter because it's very shimmery, and a little goes a long way. Now I am going to put spray some NYX matte finish spray before I put my mascara. All right, the mascara that I am going to be using is by Maybelline, the Falsies Volume Express, and this is the color black. Okay, I am going to use some eyeliner on my waterline just to give my eyes some pop. This is by Wet n Wild, and this is the color Calling Buff. Okay, this will go on my waterline. The lip liner that I am going to use is by NYX lip liner, and this is the color Natural. All right, now I'm going to use NYX Butter Gloss, and this is the color Tiramisu. Well, I hope you like this video. I really love this look. It's a beautiful look using the Too Faced I Love Kandee palette. I am in love with it. I want to create more looks with it. Well, that's my video for today. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember, stay kind, positive, and divine. Love you. Bye.